Hello kids, welcome to our channel Creative Skill. Today we learn nature-related words. Tapu is called island. Tarang, lehar is called wave. Chattan, it's called rock. Pull, it's called bridge. Bandh, it's called dam. Surang, it's called tunnel. Khet, it's called field. Parvat, it's called mountain. Samundra, it's called sea. Choti, it's called peak. Pahadi, it's called hill. Jungle, it's called forest. Sky, it's called moss. Nehar, it's called canal. घास का मैदान, it's called meadow. नदी का किनारा, it's called river bank. समुद्र तट, it's called sea coast. खदान, it's called mine. तालाब, it's called pond. झरना, it's called waterfall. रेगिस्तान, it's called desert. रेत का टीला, it's called sand dune. नदी, it's called river. महासागर, it's called ocean. झील, it's called lake. बालू, रेत, it's called sand. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe.